My video guide is about removing the browser pop-ups and online scam that comes from the site Essentialcheckuptoday.ml. This is a deceptive and misleading site that tries to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Essentialcheckuptoday.ml says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. Actually, it says the same thing all the time in various computers attacked by these pop-ups. So there is something really misleading about all these messages, and they are totally faulty, so you should never trust them. By the way, these pop-ups may be the trace of some adware enabled in your computer. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel of your system and remove any programs that are suspicious. If you find some applications you don't remember installing directly, get rid of them from this list. Uninstall them. Now, to make sure that your system is fully free of any other possibly concealed threats, we do recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official resource, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.